This is the review of the 10-inch hybrid cooling gel mattress. I left it in the plastic, but this was very, very easy to set up. I literally just took it out of the box, unrolled it, it inflated up within about an hour, even maybe less than that. And what I love about this mattress is it is a hybrid. So what that means is there's memory foam and there's also coils in it too, which is nice because then you get that firmness in the bed. Now to lay on it, I really like it because it's firm, yet it's soft. It does provide a lot of good support. And it also has a gel inside this mattress too, which is nice so that if you are really hot at night, for example, you sweat or whatever, this is a great way to not be too hot at night because it does keep you cool. And in addition, it really does help with getting a good night's sleep. It's pretty large, so I would say it's about a queen size, and this can easily fit 2 people on this bed. And the other thing I really like about it is it's kind of lightweight too. So you can see here the thickness of it is that it's a pretty good thickness where it's good enough. And I would say that, you know, I've been laying on it for a little bit just to try it out, and it's really comfy. So this is something that, you know, if you get hot at night, if you don't really want to get a pure memory foam mattress, which I know a lot of us maybe don't like that because let's be honest, with memory foam, you know, it is a little bit plush, and over time it's just not a, you know, good type of mattress. However, if you want something that's in between with coils so that you have the support in there in addition to the foam and the cooling gel, this is a great alternative. So highly recommend this cooling gel mattress. Yeah, it's really, really supportive, and it's really, really comfy.